Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are good, hope you are fine. In today's video, I am going to be revealing how much I earned the first month I got monetized on Facebook. Yes, last month, which was September 2025, I got monetized on Facebook after many years of waiting and praying for Facebook to monetize me. They finally monetized me. So in today's video, I'll be revealing how much Facebook actually paid me in the first month I got monetized. So I'll be heading to my phone to screen record from Facebook so that I will show you how much they paid me. And also, I'm going to be telling you ways you can earn on Facebook, like the perfect way, which way earn you more money on Facebook. So let's go to our screen recording. So this is actually my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. Yes, this is my Facebook page. So let's go to professional dashboard. This is my professional dashboard. You can see inside. Great job. You had 222,000 views in the space of 28 days. Though it's not much, they already show approximate earning within those period and all. So let's go to monetization. This is my monetization, and this money you are seeing now, 0.29 cents, is actually the money I've earned in October. Today date is October 4th, so within October 1st and 4th, I have earned 0.29 cents on Facebook. So let's click on everything. Okay, this is total of everything I've earned, 1.25 cents within September and October. So let's check exactly September, what I earned in September. Okay, let's just say review is actually written here. Sorry, let's go back to this place. It's better to check this place. It will show you how much payouts. This payout is the best place to check exactly the amount. So 0.96 cents. This is what I earned in September, and the thing is, I actually got monetized middle of September. Yes, I got monetized middle of September. Sorry, I want to check. I want to show you all the date, exactly the date I got monetized, because I know I posted it. Okay, guys, I have seen it. I got monetized second. I got monetized 3rd of September. So let's just say it's 1 month. It's already 1 month that I got monetized. Yes, it's already 1 month I got monetized. So I'll have to play back my screen recording again so that I will show you how I earn from Facebook. This is how you will know which one pays more on Facebook. So I'm on my screen recording. Then we'll go to monetization back and check the details. Content monetization. This is it. Story earn me 0.83 cents. Photo earn me 0.28 cents. Reels earn me 0.1 cent, and text nothing because I did not post any text. So you guys can see from this analytics now, you can see that story earn me more. Posting stories earn me more. That is one thing about YouTube. Stories and photo earn more. Let me end my screen recording. So you will see, if you go to YouTube, for those of you that are on, Facebook. If you go to Facebook, for those of you that are on Facebook, you will see a lot of people posting stories. A lot of creators, sometimes they will just leave their whatever they are posting, their content, they'll start posting stories. And most people even post stories that does not really make sense. I don't know how to put it. Noodle story. Let me put it that way so that YouTube will not flag me. Noodle story. And because of that, people will want to open the story and watch. So the more views you get from that your story, the more you earn. That is why people now post story. You can see story pay more. So if you like, sit down morning to night thinking of content to create. I know sometimes content go far. Like Opeyemi now, I don't know, those is a food critics. I think he just posted one thing that was it 1 million, 2 million views he got, and Facebook actually paid him $5 for it for 1 million views. It's funny, right? You all know YouTube will not do that. YouTube will not do that. But that is how Facebook is, and that is what I have earned in a month of getting monetized on Facebook. And that is just it. Am I going to give up on Facebook? No, I am not. I'm just going to stick on what pay more. YouTube pay me more, so I create more content on YouTube and leave Facebook. That doesn't mean I will not post. I will still be posting on Facebook. I will not just leave Facebook totally, but focusing more energy on my YouTube, because my vlogging channel, I know how much I've gotten there. Yes, almost $20 within almost 2 weeks of getting monetized, and it's shocking for me because that is not what I earn on this channel. In 2 weeks of getting monetized, so that channel I see a lot of potential on it. So that is why don't put your head on one basket. I can see many creators, Facebook creators that are on Facebook, they are now moving to YouTube, and they still create content on Facebook, but they are just moving to YouTube because they have realized that YouTube pay, because everybody is not getting monetized on Facebook. I don't know what is going on there, Sha, but I am not going to give up. I am still going to keep pushing. My goal this month of October is that under my Facebook I must get at least $2, $2 or $3. But the goal was actually 5, but I cut it to $3. But let's see if I will be able to earn up to $5. That is why I want to be posting story back to back. I'm still posting my videos, but story, that one is what earn me more. Yeah, so I'll just be posting it. And that will be all for now. We have come to the end of today's video. If you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share the video. See you all on my next video. Bye.